Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I'm going to teach poem 3 from the Honeydew, Macavity, the Mystery Cat. Questions from the textbook, working with the poem, page number 51. Question 1. Read the first stanza and think, is Macavity a cat really? Second, if not, who can Macavity be? Dear guys, its answer. First, Macavity is a cunning cat. Second, if not a cat, he can be an expert thief or criminal or a mysterious creature. Question 2. Complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who, then blank. Second, the Scotland Yard is baffled because, again blank. Third, it starts from the blank because Macavity moves much faster than them. Dear guys, its answer. A master criminal is one who evades arrest and escapes from the scene of crime. Second, the Scotland Yard is baffled because it fails to get a clue about the criminal. Third, flying squad is not able to catch hold of him. Question 3. A cat, I'm sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Jules Verne. Which lies Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Dear guys, its answer. Macavity is breaking the Newton's law of gravitation. Question 4. Read stanza 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Dear guys, its answer. Macavity is a very cunning and cautious cat. He is tall and thin. His eyes are sunken in. His forehead is wrinkled and his head is dome-like. His coat is soiled. Hair on his cheeks is not combed. Say false or true for each of the following statements. Macavity is not an ordinary cat. It's a true statement. Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. Dear guys, it's a false statement. Third, Macavity has supernatural powers. It's a true statement. Fourth, Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. Dear guys, it's a false statement. Macavity is a spy, a trickster, a criminal, all rolled in one. It's also a true statement. Question 6. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a fiend and monster? Its answer. The poet admires the cats for his swift movement, expert criminality, and the way he gives a slip to the police. But he is a lawbreaker at the same time. So the poet calls him a devil and giant. Question 7. Has the poet used exaggeration for the special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. Answer. The following statements are the examples of exaggeration. First, his bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Squad's despair. Second, his power of levitation makes a fakir stare. Third, a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Dear guys, some more important questions from the examination point of view. Question 1. How does the poet describe Macavity and his pranks? Its answer. Macavity was a male cat. He was clever criminal. He had no fear of laws or the police. He escaped from the scene of crime before the police arrived there. He was tall and thin. He was careless about his clothes and whiskers. He moved like a snake and pretended to be asleep. He was in fact a devil in the shape of a cat. He was wicked and morally corrupt. Question 2. How does the poet support his statement? There is no one like Macavity. Its answer. The poet calls Macavity is a master criminal. He could make a good escape before the police came to the scene of crime. He befooled the soldiers and the flying squad. He was an outlaw. He was a master in his field. He was matchless, a devil in the shape of a cat. Dear friends, it's all. Hope you must have enjoyed this video lecture. If you have liked it, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel in order to get the further notifications at the soonest. See you soon again. Bye.